First Airbus A380 takes flight overview, October 28, 2005. On October 28, 2005, the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner, embarked on its maiden flight. With a capacity of up to 850 passengers, this double-decked, wide-body aircraft marked a breakthrough in aviation technology, emphasizing efficiency and fuel economy. The A380 became a staple for long-haul flights, revolutionizing air travel and providing unmatched passenger comfort. Its development represented the culmination of decades of engineering, reinforcing Airbus's place in the aviation industry. Despite facing challenges in later years, the A380 remains an iconic milestone in aviation history. Which aspect interests you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history insights and compelling stories, subscribe, like, and share.